Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. Let's open up this RAM from CUSU. Two pieces of 16GB, total of 32GB, 3600 MHz, DDR4. Let's flip it here. From here we can read the RAM info. Let's open it. We have two RAMs, two slots of RAMs in this plastic box. Which have RGB lights, metal heatsink. It looks built in good quality. You can read the stickers CL18. Let's place it on the motherboard. First, make sure your computer is off. Shut down the power supply. Open the brackets of the RAM slots. You may have only one bracket to open on your motherboard. Pull out the old RAM and place the new one. Check for this part. Here, place your RAM and push until you hear the clicks. Now let's turn on our computer. Let's go to the BIOS for overclocking. Now turn on your computer and click the delete key. The BIOS will show up. Depending on your BIOS and motherboard, you may see a different menu. Just find Advanced Memory Settings and enable the XMP overclocking profile. As you see, the new frequency is 3600. Click F10 to save and exit. Now the computer will reboot. If your computer does not reboot, remove the battery from the motherboard and that will make the default setting back on your motherboard. Let's check Task Manager, Performance, and here it is, our 16GB of RAM running at the max speed. Let's try and copy something. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for more. and goodbye.